Kuna na pa'y tatay, nga agdagag kayo, upay, kapara kanya yung data. Put-put no ti sinarita da amin, including niya po si Bayan tatay, nga imbuksilan na, iti katatao na, kinkabagyag na, nung apay nakadanon, ipagtatadiran na data. Ado nga istorya, kas kumatatay, ni Dr. Rutab, ado itinaglabasan na. Kung kurang tatay, Doctor, you started mano iti salary. Iti gamit panahon ko when I started teaching, iti sweldo pa iti kat 5,500. That was way back 2008. 5,000 ako. Nung kikita, matinta lang iti sweldo me for 1 month, siguro more or less 1,000. Nagrigat ornongan na lalo, kagrunaan, no, i-required ipagadalan wino pagtatrabahuang iti masteral mo. So we need to enroll. Kung isang hari mo lang imatitid ka, how can you survive? But we were able to survive. Nagadalak na nagadal, takayat ko, nga haan to nga mabuli, winuhan to nga siya kirason, ipakipagpatayan di kakabsat ko. Because during our times, itibaklakin tomboy that salod sa lipunan. Kas kung natatay, naging speakers tayo from our affiliating agency, ubeng, agdagag kayo. Da kami, naglabasan min, dagiti paglabasan yung pailanan. Kung na dagiti parents yo, at adon tinakan ni kada kayo. Apan kay pailaan, agaw awit kami, nakaturog kami pa yun. Putno, dahil takapan narita ako. Take us as your inspiration, as your motivation. Amo ang amin kayo, all of you here, 92.7% were my former students under CFLM 2. Right? Character formation, decision making, management, and administration. Katamo na binilag na kayo, pinanday na kayo tiniting nga subject. That's why I am very happy to see you once again because we are now celebrating success. Few days from now, you're about to graduate. But our dream is not just to graduate, but also to pass the board exam and become part of the productive citizen of the Republic of the Philippines. Tonight, I should say, I am tasked to give you an inspirational message. So I was so quiet a while ago kasi I was just... As we gather tonight to celebrate your achievements at the graduation ball and internship day, let us pause to reflect on the incredible journey that has led us to the moment, up to this moment. Each step you've taken, each challenge you've overcome has shaped you into the vigilant, empowered criminologists of tomorrow. Whether you like it or not, you finish your 4 years course under the CCJE, you need to be a registered criminologist. That's your aim. Tonight, we honor not only your academic accomplishments, but also your unwavering commitment to justice, integrity, and service. The theme, Pathways to Success, Empowering and Honoring the Vigilance of Tomorrow's Criminologists, encapsulates the essence of your journey, a journey marked by dedication, sacrifice, and relentless pursuit to excellence. Class Bagsiklaya and Sinag-ala, your names carry weight, symbolizing the strength and brilliance that define your character. Just as Bagsik ignites a flame of courage within, Sinag illuminates the path ahead, guiding you towards your aspirations. As you embark on the next chapter of your lives, remember that success is not merely a destination, but a journey. A journey defined by resilience, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in your abilities. The road ahead may be fraught with challenges, but with the knowledge and skills and values instilled in you by the College of Criminal Justice Education, you are more than equipped to overcome any obstacles that stands in your way. Embrace the opportunities that lie before you with courage and determination. Let your passion for justice burn bright, illuminating the darkest corners of society and bringing hope to those in need. Never underestimate the impact of your actions, for every decision you make has the power to shape the world around you. Remember that the world is a dangerous place to live in, not because of those who do evil, but because of those who watch and let it happen. Be a man who will fight justice. Be a man of integrity who will always defend justice and promote love and equality. As you step in the world as graduates of the College of Criminal Justice Education, know that you carry with you the hopes and dreams of countless individuals who believe in your ability to effect positive change. May you continue to uphold the values of integrity, professionalism, and compassion in all your endeavors. And may your journey be marked by success, fulfillment, and endless possibilities. Achieve greatness in all your endeavors. As you leave the halls of our institution, bago nyo lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng ating paaralang sikos at colleges, carry with you the values of courage, integrity, and compassion that have been instilled in you throughout your journey. Remember that you are not just graduates, but torch bearers of justice and beacons of hope in a world that yearns of our fatherland. Class Sinag-Alab and Bagsiklaya, your dedication and determination have brought you to this momentous occasion. Let the flame of your passion for justice continue to burn brightly, lighting the way for others to follow. As you embark on your respective paths, may you always stay true to yourself and never lose sight of the impact you can make on the world. The road ahead may be challenging, but I have no doubt that you possess the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Embrace every opportunity with open arms and let your actions speak volumes about the caliber of criminologists you are destined to become. As the Student Affairs Officer of our beloved institution named Sikos at Colleges, I would like to congratulate the Criminal Justice Education headed by Jaminable, the undisputed, the man of the hour, Mr. Gilbert Saliot, together with our coordinator, Ma'am Carissa Ragmac Mendoza Tingle, and all the faculty members, as well as our academic officer and quality assurance officer and research extension coordinator, Dr. Maria Norma P. Rutam, and all the other teachers and members of the administration of the school for the immeasurable commitment for shaping our graduating students. Why don't you give them a resounding round of applause, please? At sa lahat ng aming bisita, maraming salamat po, ma'am and sir. At naway sa mga susunod ulit po ng batches ng aming graduates, patuloy niyo po silang hubugin, pakamahalin, at ibilang bilang niyo po mga kapatid o mga anak. Malaking bagay po yan sa Sikos at Colleges. Lubos po kami nagpapasalamat at taos-puso po kami na palaging magdarasal para sa inyo pong mahabang buhay at patuloy na pagsisilbi sa ating bayan. To all of you graduating students, as you step into the world of graduates of our esteemed institution, remember that the sky is the limit. Dream big, work hard, and never lose sight of the principles that guided all of us tonight. Congratulations, class Bagsiklaya and Sinag-Alab. Tonight, we celebrate not only your achievements, but also the bright future that awaits you. Shine on, vigilant criminologists, and may your paths be filled with triumph, purpose, and boundless opportunities. Cheers to the journey ahead to success.